Gotcha.
Get the remote! Looking for these?
Thank you.
No! Tengo que saber si Consuelo sobrevive a la presión!
She's gaining on us! Ah! That remote is mine!
Then come and get it!
Let's take the stairs. She's getting away! If you leave without paying, you're setting a bad example for your children! I can't find the right change! Thank you for being a responsible citizen. Come on, dude! Cutie Bet starts in 5 minutes!
¡Paren! La Casa de las Lágrimas comienza en 5 minutos!
Oh, no, it doesn't! Win or don't win does!
Give it to me! I'm a celebrity! Wait a minute! This isn't a TV remote.
My car!
Dagnabbit! It's for our garage door! What did you buy this for?
What? It's the one Anais told me to get.
Why would Anais tell you to buy the